So now we're going to talk about how to deal with costs and benefits that occur over time. What we need to do to calculate or take into consideration the costs and benefits that occur over time is to calculate what's called a net present value. Net present value converts all future costs and benefits to today's present value. In a simple term, net present value takes the value of all the benefits minus the value of all the costs in a certain year and brings them back to the present day's value. So if the net present value is positive, then the benefits outweigh the cost. And if the net present value is negative, the cost outweighs the benefit. So it's a money-losing intervention. So here's a simple formula on how to calculate the present value, the net present value. It's very simple. You basically are taking the benefits that occur in a certain year minus the costs that occur within that same year. And then you divide it by 1 plus R, which is the discount rate, and you raise that to the year in which these costs and benefits occur. And again, R is the discount rate, or sometimes called the societal rate. And I can leave it up to the economists to talk about it in more detail, or if we have more time, we could talk about it. I mentioned it a little bit in the previous module in which we looked at our cost table. T is the year in which these costs and benefits occur, and N is the analytic horizon. And so if our analytic horizon is 10 years, then we should have 10 of these calculations. That's what that sum symbol means. You're summing it over up to N, or in our case, 10 years. Now remember, we use this to get the present day value of all costs and benefits. And now, while you may be thinking about as far as monetary terms, this also applies to health outcomes, such as lives saved, cases averted, quality studies, and so forth.